Greetings again, everyone. Today is the INDORAPTOR video, the new one. But first things first is the ultimate damage right here. It has that feature, but I believe it only has one button, or maybe there's another one. Oh no, that's actually the what is this? The DNA scan over here. Yeah, it is a DNA scan. So yeah, just one button for this guy. Oh, there it is. There's another button right here in the back. So it moves, the head moves. There you go. So it has two buttons. And we have this classic INDORAPTOR from, I'm not even quite sure anymore, Dino Rivals or Jurassic World.
Oh, yes, it's
There's
so
a DNA
old.
scan.
That's old.
I don't know what's wrong with the elbow. It does not, it doesn't articulate. So weird. This one does. You can tell it's super old now. Look at the teeth. It's not even that impressive back then, how they made it. No. However, it has a moving sound. When you slide this button down, it has a crunching sound, but the mouth doesn't move. But there's a button down here in the tail. That's where the mouth moves, but has no sound for some reason. See the lights? The eyes lights up. It's cool. So let's take out the new Legacy Collection INDORAPTOR that just came out. Boom! Right here, from Reimagine, has the real feel. Let's check the box. Okay, no extra dinos in the back. It just says real feel. Look at the background of this. It has the road right there. Looks like you got it away, but let's unbox it.
It's like walking past it. It's like
Yeah. Okay. Oh, what? We have to.
It's trying to wait past
It's like it's stuck in the feet.
Okay,
Okay, so got it out. There you go. Look at the background of that. It's a road.
Yeah, I like it.
It's a rainy night. All right, so this INDORAPTOR now is not actually glossy anymore compared to the rest of the INDORAPTORs. The older ones, they're glossy, and this one has a midnight blue color. The teeth are way better. However, it only has one articulated jaw though. Only one jaw articulates. Has a nice golden color. Totally different from its predecessors right here. Different now. Including the jaw. The lower jaw has gold stripes. Alright, so the real feel here looks... Yeah, it does feel nice too. It's rubber. There you go. Push the button. There's like a hidden button. There you go. Nice. No articulation on the legs. Just the claw, lower feet right here. The arms doesn't articulate as well. Nothing on its wrists right here. It does not articulate. Just going up and down. Does the head articulate? No. The neck does not articulate as well. Nothing. No articulation. The tail's made of rubber. Feels nice. Right there. See some gold stuff on its back. Probably when they sprayed it. Looks like that thing is coming off right there. You have to push it back in. There. Oh. Okay, that's good. That's actually... weird. I wish someone doesn't pull this off. Oh yeah, that's not good. Look at the damage right there. Okay, so I'll just probably glue this. Weird. Okay. There's the sound. Alright, so let's compare to the older classic INDORAPTOR. Jeez. Look at the teeth. This one's all worn out. And then the ultimate damage actually still not bad. Still kind of new. Look at the teeth compared to the Legacy Collection. Actually, ultimate damage is bigger. A little taller. Like I said, this one's like matte black now. The gloss is gone. And the midnight blue is really pretty cool. Goes with it. Real nice. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, there's the DNA scan for you guys. And then you got the serial number. It's on its feet now. Usually it's on the tail part right here. Yep. So there you have it there for our newest INDORAPTOR. Hopefully next year will be the Hammond Collection INDORAPTOR. Right, Sapphire? That would be pretty cool. Pretty cool. We'll have the D-Rex, INDORAPTOR. What else? Some other...
like the Mosasaurus, you mean?
Yeah, Mosasaurus as well.
Even like the other Spinosaurus in different movies.
Yeah, from the Rebirth. Rebirth Spinosaurus.
Even
Okay, so this is a little weird. It says 2025 right there. So I don't know about that. Maybe the legs are old. I mean the body is probably new. Well, we don't know.
Yeah, that's kind of good guess there.
Okay, guys, enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. Cheerio.